Hey there, today we're going to look at Miro project management tutorial and review. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to miro.com. Over here, click on the login button. After that, sign in using your email or Google account. Then, click on continue with email if using email. Over here, once you're logged in, go to your dashboard. Then, click on create new. After that, select board from the options. Over here, name your board. Then click on sticky notes from the left panel and add them to the board. After that, click on text. Then click on a sticky note to start typing. Then click on shapes and lines to add visual elements. Over here, you can also add arrows for direction. After that, click on the pencil icon to draw freehand. After that, click on upload to add files from your computer. Then click on export this board at the top of the page. Over here, save the board as PDF, image, or another format. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next